This is a 2011 Bryan 196. Comes with matching trailer, the swing tongue. Very well taken care of. Nice swim platform with sun pad. Does come with the bimini. More cruiser motor. Lots of storage under all of your seats. Does have a convenient walk-through. Both captain's chairs do have bolsters. Radio. Lots of storage under the passenger side. Cooler storage in the bow. There's storage under all your seats. Interior lighting. This boat is rated for 8 people. Snap out flooring with ski locker, walk through windshield. Very well taken boat, very clean boat. Four speakers, lots of cup holders. It's a 2011 Bryan 196.